Hello besties! Today I got a really minimalistic Valentine's set for you. It's matte and it's black and it's red and sparkly and it just looks very elegant.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee.
Hello besties and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to do this Valentine themed classic minimalistic nail art. You ready? Let's do it. I wanted today to be a pretty fast video, so I've already prepped my cuticles and all. I have already filmed this nail for my Instagram. You should go and check out my Instagram. It will really help me a lot because I'm making even more content there. I'm doing this experiment because I'm trying to produce more content. I have some hard gel and some milky on my actual nails. It's nail extensions, but they also have some hard gel and some milky color on them. And then I put a pull-off base on my nail. It's this one from Nailart. And then I do the nail art that I want so that I can strip it off and just, play around with more designs. But anyway, this is what we're working with today. Your nail should be looking something like there. And this is the actual color I put on them. It's like a sheer white, milky white color. So I did 2 layers of this and it gave me this outcome. So now we're gonna give it a nice strong French line. It's gonna be all pointy over here. I'm gonna do this with this liner gel from Modelons. These are pretty good. They came in a low price in a pack of 6. So how we're gonna do this French is I'm gonna see where the middle of my nail is and where I want my French to end. I'm gonna draw a line and then I'm gonna go over here where I wanted to start, and on the same height from over here, and I'm gonna draw 2 lines like this. I'm sorry if I got out of focus. You're gonna have something like that. We're gonna fill it in. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm gonna give it another coat. If your liner gel is too opaque, you don't have to give it a second coat. But yeah, make sure you have a lot of space here to create your heart. And then I usually fill it in with some normal color because it has a thicker brush. And this is where we're at. You can either put the top coat on this step, or you can make the heart top coat it and then put the glitter on the heart. We're gonna do the second way. I'm gonna be using this as my palette. And drop a bit of this cherry red. And with a dotting tool that's fairly big, I'm gonna dip it in and make 2 little dots. Like so. And then I'm taking a small brush. This is a 7mm one. And I'm connecting these on this side. Just make sure you leave some space over here between the 2 hard sides. It makes it look so much better. Cure this. And now I'll give it a matte coat. And this is my favorite so far from all the things I've tried. The Coupa one is just unbelievable. Now it looks something like this. And now I wasn't satisfied with just plain red, so we did a flash effect, which is this one. It looks so gorgeous. So I just take a little bit of this and go over my little heart. Make sure you make it like thick. And by the way, I'm just trying to make the French on all my nails, but look how freaking cute this looks. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. A little diamond here. Like, what the heck? So pretty. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you made it all the way here, go and comment a red heart. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day. And make sure you guys follow me on other socials. I'll pop them down below. Hope everyone has a blessed day. Bye!
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that.